You're looking at a $12 million Hamptons beach house where the ocean is literally your backyard and every inch screams luxury. From above, the property glows with clean coastal architecture, sleek white walls, ocean-facing glass panels, and a private infinity pool stretching toward the sand. Step through the grand glass doors into a sun-drenched foyer wrapped in marble, double-height ceilings, and a floating staircase that feels like art. The open-concept living space? Massive! Think panoramic Atlantic views, minimalist furniture, and a fireplace set in Italian travertine stone. The chef's kitchen features waterfall-edge marble counters, meal appliances, and a hidden wine fridge, perfect for late-night Hamptons parties. An ocean-facing dining room for 12, where golden sunset light floods through full-height glass. It's pure elegance at every meal. The master suite is its own sanctuary. King-sized bed facing the sea, private balcony, and a bathroom wrapped in white stone and glass. And this is where it gets wild. A private cinema room with leather recliners, a 120-inch screen, and soundproof walls made for movie nights in style. Up top, a rooftop terrace with a fire pit and 360-degree ocean views, the ultimate flex spot when the sun goes down. Step right out the backyard and your feet hit the sand. Private beach access, no crowds, no noise, just waves. So, would you live in this $12 million Hamptons dream home? Or is it too much ocean for you? Tell us in the comments below.